Click the Report menu. Then select the QR submenu. Click the New button. The form will open immediately. Enter a name for the QR reporter. This name will be visible to users. Choose something short and easy to understand. Select the type of the reporter. It can be error or complaint. This determines how the report form will appear. You can allow users to upload a photo. You can also make the photo upload mandatory. If the name and email fields are not required, users can submit reports anonymously. This often increases user trust. They can still follow the status of their report. Select the default language for the report form. Users can switch to a different language at any time, but this will be the initial setting. The time zone controls the exact time shown on the form and the timestamps of the received reports. In the public information field, you can add a short description. This text is also visible to users. You can set categories, assign responsibles, and configure notifications. These help in managing the reports efficiently. When everything is ready, click the Save button. Your first QR code is now created. It appears immediately in the list view. From the detail page, you can edit it, print it, or open the report form at any time. I hope it was easy to follow. But there is an even simpler option. With the QR Wizard, you can create a QR code even faster. Just follow some simple steps and you're done. You can test the reporter right away.